In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a domain name on GoDaddy. Before we start, have a clear idea of the name you want and a payment method ready. A great domain is short, easy to spell, and memorable. If you already know the extension you want, like .com or a country or niche-specific option, keep that in mind too. First, head to GoDaddy and look for the big search bar on the homepage. Type the domain name you want to register. Include the extension if you have one in mind, or just enter the name to see what's available. Double-check your spelling here. Fixing a typo later is much harder than catching it now. Next, click Search. GoDaddy will check availability and show you the exact match if it's open, plus alternatives and related ideas if it's taken. If your top choice is available, that's perfect. If it isn't, consider a slight variation or a different extension that still fits your brand or project. When you've found the domain you want, click Make It Yours. This effectively selects that domain so you can proceed. You'll typically see a brief summary of what you're adding. From there, click Continue. GoDaddy may show optional add-ons like professional email, hosting, or privacy features. You can review these later if you need them. For now, we're focusing on getting the domain itself. Next, click Continue to Cart to review your order. In the cart, look for the registration term and choose how long you want to secure the domain, anywhere from 1 year to 10 years. Longer terms can reduce the hassle of frequent renewals and sometimes help you lock in pricing, but pick what matches your budget and plan. Once your term is set, click Ready for Checkout. You'll move into the checkout flow to finalize your details. Now add your billing information. Enter your name, address, and contact details exactly as they appear on your billing records. Accurate information helps prevent issues with payment authorization and ensures you receive important account notices. Finally, add your payment method. Choose your preferred option and enter the required details carefully. Make sure everything is correct before you save it. With your billing and payment information in place, your domain is lined up and ready to complete the purchase on screen. That's the entire process. Search your name, choose it, continue to the cart, set your term, and provide billing and payment details. Take a moment to confirm the domain spelling and term length before you wrap up. You're all set to secure your new domain on GoDaddy.